These are AA batteries that are designed to be put into solar lights, but you can use them just as AA batteries because they have a 2,000 plus cycle of charging on them, and it has a 10-year shelf life when they're charged. Rechargeable, and looking over them, they're 600 milliamp a piece. So open up the box here. I have a set of 12, so that's 12 batteries, and what I really got them for is to be able to recharge and have a rechargeable AA battery. And you know, you could see there's some basic instructions on how to recharge them. You do have to get a battery charger to make these things work, but just open them up here. Let me just open up a pair of them. Taking a couple of them out here, you can kind of see over here, they're AA, they're 600 milliamp AA batteries, and they're very light. These things don't weigh anything. And I'm going to use these in a wide variety of things, like my remote. I'm going to put them in my remote. I'm going to put them in various things around my house. I've got some little RC cars that use AA, and that's what I'm going to use these for, because I hate buying batteries. I'd much rather just charge them, run them down, and then charge them, and then reuse them. So yeah, I think this is something that everybody should have around their house. Very handy to have a battery that can be recharged, reused. You're not filling up landfills with a bunch of old batteries. There it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the 1.2 volt rechargeable AA 600 milliamp. See you all in the next video.